If you find any parts missing or damaged during assembly, please contact our team. This section contains some important notes. We recommend giving it a quick read before you begin assembly. The abrasive paper is mainly used to polish any burrs on the board. The lubricating wax stick is used to lubricate all the marked areas in the instructions. Last check before installation. Test the music movement. Tighten the metal cube. Insert and turn the winding key. One check for obstructions around the black part. To make sure it isn't touching the white cylinder above, a small gap is needed. Apply wax to the parts. Insert a P8 into the corresponding position and attach the P9 to the shaft. Install the gears at the corresponding positions. Install the P9 shaft and tighten it. Pay attention to the gear meshing here. Test whether the gears can rotate. During this step, align the 4 marked points horizontally and ensure the gear's long shaft aligns with the side fixed shaft as shown. Install at the indicated position. After installation, these 4 points must always be aligned in a straight line to the position indicated in the diagram. Test whether the gears can rotate. When installing the cello bow, leave a 1 to 2 mm gap to prevent it from jamming. The music movement may lack sufficient power. Apply 1 to 2 additional turns to the winding key. It may be due to excessive friction. You can use the wax stick to lubricate the gears again, then gently turn the gear in the diagram counterclockwise to assist rotation. During installation, these 4 marked points must be aligned horizontally. Check the gear here. If it's loose or out of place, adjust it immediately. Check P8 and P9 for looseness, as this may cause gear misalignment and jamming. Secure any loose P9. Check whether these gears are properly engaged. If any misalignment or jamming is detected, perform manual adjustment to correct the gear positioning.